Eto naman, matapos ang kanilang dikit na talo kontra New Zealand, nitong Huwebes, susubukang bumawi ng Gilas, Pilipinas sa kanilang laban kontra powerhouse team ng Australia ngayong linggo sa pagpapatuloy po yan ng FIBA World Cup Asian Qualifiers. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Muling dadaan sa butas ng karayom ang Gilas Pilipinas sa kanilang ikalawang laban sa Window 2 sa FIBA World Cup Asian Qualifiers. Matapos ang pagkabigo sa unang laro kontra Tall Blacks, umaasa ang pambansang koponan na makakabawi sa kanilang pagtutuos ng Australia ngayong linggo. Aminado si Coach Tim Cone na hindi sila maaaring manatili sa ideya na near win matapos kapusin sa posibleng game-tying three ni Dwight Ramos sa mga huling segundo kontra New Zealand.
So we're going to continue to learn as we go forward. But again, I just don't want to get into this. We almost won. We almost did that. We don't want to play that game with ourselves. So we want to win games. I want to focus on our big guys. I thought played well, especially AJ and Q. They battled their big guys really well.
Inaasahan namang babawi si Justin Brownlee matapos malimitahan ng 4 na puntos na output. Umaasa rin ng Gilas na madodoble ang matibay na laro ni na AJ Edu at Quentin Meliora Brown sa ilalim ng ring laban sa mga Boomers.
This is Q's third game with us, QMB's third game with us, so it's Juan's first game with us. And so our expectations for them in terms of execution is not as much as we would have for CJ, who's been here from the beginning, and Scotty, and Justin and Dwight and the other guys. But it's, again, finding that rhythm with a lot of guys playing heavier minutes. We expect him to play, and he's going to be a better matchup to Australia, we think, with their size. So, you may not see them so much this game, but you might see him more next game. And that's just the way it is with a national team.
Kinakailangan ng Gilas ang panalo kontra sa world number 6 sa Australia na nakasiguro na ang pwesto sa second round matapos ang ikatlong sunod na panalo ng Boomers. Kapag nanalo ang Pilipinas at muling matalo ang Guam sa kanilang laban kontra NZ, makakasiguro ang pambansang koponan ng pag-abante sa susunod na yugto. Nakasalalay ang panalong ito ng bansa para sa tsansang makaabante dahil 3 nangungunang koponan lamang sa grupo ang uusad sa second round. Jamaica Bayaka para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.